What is going on, guys? It is Saturday afternoon or morning, 11:39, so still morning. Got the engine hoist, prepping it. I got it kind of wrapped around and whatnot. Hopefully this will do the trick, like do enough or something. Let's get to it. So guys, I got it wrapped around this trainee mount bracket on this side. So I kind of did that last time, and I have it wrapped around this side because it has a bunch of like metal and leverage and ledge to actually hold something up against. So I'm hoping this will be good enough and not cock it too much. A little sketch with this setup, but it's kind of like the only thing that seems like it's going to work at the moment with what I have. So we'll test it out and see. Now I just gotta get off the motor mounts and we shall see. As you can tell, I kind of got the setup a little bit different, so it could be a lot shorter and I have a lot more room to lift up. This side is completely out, guys. It's literally just this that's holding it up. So this one bolt, this motor mount, then we should be good. Should be good. Side, more room. And we're just gonna breaker bar this shit real quick. Doing like a whole motor refresh on this, guys. Like I'm gonna be doing a lot of new parts, new clips, just to make it all look fucking new, especially if I'm building it. I'm just kind of like sending it, taking things off and replacing. We're gonna make it work, make it happen, and just fucking do it. Bring you guys that content, you feel me? One way or another, shit's gonna happen. So, got all the bolts out. Now let's see if we gonna be able to get this thing out. It is leaning and rocking towards that way a little bit. Let's see if I can still make it do. The oil filter is getting hooked onto the headers right now. Try to block that. Pretty good to keep going. I'll be able to pop my transmission out as well, guys, and put that to the side, because if you know, you know. I'm not using that thing no more. Well, at the moment, it may be a backup, but I am building the trainee out to the side. Last video you guys seen, I acquired the SI gearing, so if you haven't yet, go check out that video so you know what I'm talking about. And yeah. Just enough. See, guys, if I didn't do what I did and shorten it up and do all this shit, I would not have any room, because there is just enough room to do this shit. Should be able to pull out.
Oh shit.
The heart is out.
Did you record anything?
Yeah. Got this from Harbor Freight. This was like a whole like 15 bucks or some shit. Worth it. Be able to put the motor on it, you know, move it around when I need or how I need. Just guys, look how close that is. Shout out to using your brain sometimes.
You did a really good job with this thing.
Yeah, I'm surprised that, you know, it was coming out at a hard angle, but it still like did what it did.
That is cool.
Obviously the heart is out. It's over there on the side. Thankfully, I have just enough room to be able to put it in there. I didn't really want to leave it outside tarped up or anything like that. So now I was talking about the whole clearance issue and whatnot, and the whole garage, and yeah, I guess I somehow closed it because it was on the highest setting it could go up, and I somehow closed the garage door without a problem. I go to open it and this happened. Should f***ing that black bracket over there gouged into it and got stuck. And I had a little hard time fucking getting it off. I had to jump on my subframe and take the pins off the bracket and take that off, then move the door down, yada yada, dude. It was stupid. It's always something, guys, always something. One thing after another, like some shit I don't even ask for or like really even try to do. Dumbass shit happens. My luck is just, we still try to smile through it and fucking make things better. Fuck. Meat right there. What up, what up, what up? Carry on this vlog type day. Seeing the motor was out, but now we are in the car. Pointing even at her. Honda Civic right now. It is about, I don't know, what is it, like 4 or 5?
Yeah, something.
It's like 5 or something right now. We're going to a drift event, Lock City. I guess it's some nighttime drift event, you know. We just kind of found out about it like last night or this morning. Deciding to go, because why not? Enjoy the beautiful weather. So guys, we have arrived. It is a busy ass event, guys. I haven't seen it like this in a while. Everywhere is filled. Beautiful day for it though. I know you Honda guys probably appreciate this. I don't even know what the f this is, but this shit is cool as hell. Better drop a thumbs up, man. Enjoy this content too, not just the TSX shit. Support the channel overall, guys. Whole lot of action today. It's busy as fuck. Drop a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, man. You living rich. Look at the sky, guys. This shit is beautiful out there, man. Love that headache from the iron. Nighttime vibes, guys. Can't see me, but yeah. Drop a like on the video, guys. Help me out. Help the channel grow. Yes, sir. Got some lighting over here. Today's video, man. Hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Leave a thumbs up, different vibes, man. Give you guys some drifting too. Hope you guys enjoy that as well. And yeah, leave a thumbs up, subscribe. Road to 3K, then 5K, 10K, $500,000.